Hello folks, it's August the 21st and we're back in the garden. We're going to be harvesting corn today. The new strawberry bed is all fully propagated and ready to go for next year. I cleaned up all the runners and some of the dead leaves on this bed. Same with this bed. Got some really nice eggplant showing up here. See there, nice eggplants all over the place. There's eggplants down there. Some more eggplants. We harvested the last of the cauliflower, so they're just getting ready to be chopped up and stuck in the mulch pile. The oats are coming up nicely where the onions used to be. We've got some gladiolas coming up. We've got more lima beans that need picked here. Sandwich tomatoes are still lots of green. Here's the corn we'll be harvesting. Here, ambrosia. Some nice little cabbages coming along. Coleslaw soon. A new patch of lettuce. Another cabbage. Some more oats. Some more gladiolas. More oats for cover crop. This strawberry bed's all ready for next year to go. Needs a little bit of cleanup. The beans have been half pulled up. We've got enough beans now. This patch is going to be picked and then torn up here soon. Lots and lots of butternut squash. And I think we got 15 out of 3 bushes. And the marigolds did a great job of keeping the bean beetles away. We're getting some nice paste tomatoes here finally. They're starting to ripen. They're pruning and letting more light in them really seem to help. We should be making tomato paste here soon. The fourth and last group of carrots are coming up. And we've got peppers down there. I'm going to use some of them in the corn. We take it off and freeze it. The asparagus jungle continues to grow. Here are the hydrangea cuttings. They're still producing. Hopefully they'll harden off enough where we won't have too much for winter dieback. The delicata squash line looks like it's shutting down all along. And lots of little delicata squashes. They aren't real big. I don't here you can kind of see size-wise how big they are. Zucchini is doing good. 2 vines. One's one way, has 2 limbs. One long. Getting about 3 zucchini a day, 4 zucchini a day. Sometimes the potatoes, we're still digging them as we need them. And that's about it for this trip.